Okay, so guys, if you got a like a MacBook that's not working like myself, I'll show you what's going on with mine. Let's have a look here. So here's my old MacBook. It's like a 2013 model, and the trackpad. You can see I can move the cursor, but I can't click on anything. So the click's gone. Now you can go online. You can get some videos that show you how to fix this, but it's only like the like 2009 and so forth that are quite easy to fix. But this is a 2013. I'll just zoom on the screen now because I'll be working on the screen from now on. Set it up. So 2013's not so good to fix because it's got like a battery that's all glued in and everything. It's hard to get to the trackpad. So I had a look around and I came up with a solution. So what I've done is I've got like a USB mouse here, plugged it into the MacBook over here, and now we can work. Now we can work on solution here. So first thing you do is go to System Preferences. You can either go to the Apple logo and select it there, or I've got a shortcut down here. So I'll click on the System Preferences. So then you go to Trackpad. So the trackpad dish there. Click on that. Now it's got options here. So what you want to do is you want to click on secondary click, so you can do like a right click using two fingers. So click on that one, and also click on tap to click. So you can tap to click with one finger. You can see there the animation there. Tap to click. So that now you've got your two left and right buttons working, just using that simple solution. But still, not everything works with that. You see, so now I can click. See, I can click there. That's beautiful. I can get back into my system preferences. Tap to click, get that back up. But I can't resize. Can't resize the windows here. So if you have a look here, and so you got the little arrows there. You should be because you need to actually do a left click and to resize it, which doesn't work. So there is another little solution for that that's hidden in the system preferences as well. So we'll get back into system preferences. Now you want to go to accessibility, little person with the arms outstretched. So click on that. Now go to mouse and trackpad, and then down to trackpad options. So I'm using Catalina here. Hopefully it's the same in other OS systems. So what you want to do is enable dragging. You've got scroll in there, you want to enable dragging, click on that, and then on the right you've got the dialog box. Click down to 3-finger drag. Now what happens now is if we close it all up, you can actually see if I can do this so much. Let's see if I can show you. There we go. So what we'll do is we'll move the mouse over. There we go, to the side here. Now we'll just move it right down to the bottom here so you can see where I am. So just at the top right hand corner you can see the little cursor there. So you want to resize this window, so you put the 3 fingers on, and then you can drag it. There we go. 3-finger drag. And that fixes everything. So we'll go back on the screen now using that technique. You've actually got full functionality back on your trackpad. And you don't even have to open up the MacBook. So let's see, I'll go into Finder. Under Finder here, and say you want to just resize this here. So you can just drag them across here. And you can zip up to here on the window, 3 fingers on there, you can resize it. So it's not as good as having a totally working trackpad, but if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, you're overseas or something, and you want to get your Mac working, you want to get your MacBook working, you're overseas, and you haven't got tools, you can't take the battery out, you can't replace the trackpad, and there's a little fix where you can use a little tool to, it's like a little bimetallic strip there, and you can move the strip around, little button, and reposition and get your trackpad working again. and there's also a tension screw, and it's a little bit complicated. So this is a nice little easy solution if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you've discovered, like I did, the trackpad from when I bought it was a little bit dodgy. Never worked real good, and I was increasingly having to push a bit harder and harder to get it to work. And it finally gave up the ghost the other day, so I thought I'd try and fix it, and came up with this software or setting solution that actually mimics all the functions you really need in the trackpad, and it works quite well. So hope you enjoyed that one and is useful. If it's useful, click like and click share and click subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.